Hello and welcome to our new Post-University Eagles. We're so excited to help you get logged into class today and submit your first assignment. Start by going to our website, post.edu. Click where it says Student Login. This will load our student portal. You'll see you have access to your student email account, your student hub, where you can find academic records and financial aid information, but we will start by clicking where it says Learn My Classes. When you click here for Learn My Classes, it's going to launch Blackboard, our virtual classroom. This will open up on the activity stream, but I would like you to draw your attention to this purple menu on the left. We're looking for the Courses button. Go ahead, click where it says Courses, and you'll see your class posted for this term. Most students are registered for FYE 110, the Empowered Learner. Click there to open up the course. When it loads, you will see first course information. When you click on course information, you'll see a course overview video, your class syllabus, where you can view course expectations, deadlines, and grading criteria, a discussion board criteria where you can learn about expectations for your discussion board specifically, and then there's an introduction section. If you click where it says introduction, you'll have an opportunity to introduce yourself to your classmates and your professor. You're asked to share a little bit about your background, what brought you to Post, what's something that you're passionate about, and then what are you hoping to gain as part of this learning community? To answer this question, you can click in the box where it says type a post and type out your answer. I recommend using proper punctuation, spell check, and full sentences as you reply. And when you're finished, go ahead and click post. As your classmates do their introductions, you will see those load down below. You can read, get to know those classmates, and reply to them as well. After you submit your post, you can go ahead and click this purple X on the left-hand side of the screen and go back to navigating and exploring your class. As you scroll down, you'll see a folder for student resources. This is where you can find information on academic support, tutoring, and our online library. There's also a link for your textbook. And then down below, this is the important part of your class. You'll see links for week 1, week 2, all the way down through week 8. Every week of your class, your assignments are housed in these folders. So if you click where it says week 1, navigating your journey, you will see all of your assignments for your first week of class. First, you can see an overview, what to expect this week. There's a folder for readings and resources, and then there's a week 1 Blackboard scavenger hunt and a week 1 discussion board. For both of these assignments, you can see the due date posted right under the headline. You'll want to make sure that you're completing your assignments by their posted due date. All of your work for that first week is housed within the week 1 module. Week 2, when it begins, is when you'll open up your week 2 module and begin working on those assignments. If you are registered for a second class, you will want to remember to repeat this process for that second class. So you can hit the home icon here in the top left-hand side of the screen, go back to courses, and then open up your second course and follow the same steps. Do that introduction with your classmates and then begin on your week 1 work. Congratulations on starting your academic journey here at Post. We're so excited to have you and wish you the very best.